boys, today we got the snorkel kit installed, so what we're going to do next is install the new rims and tires. So there's the old rims and tires. It's your basic black steel rim and Carlisle tires. What we're going to be putting on are these Raceline wheels with Zillas. These Zillas are 28-inch. The rims are 14-inch. And we got 9 wides for the front and 11 wides for the back. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go out and do some GPS and timed runs with the stock tires, just to see out of the hole how much slower it's going to be with the 28-inch tires on there. The reason I selected Zillas was I wanted something that would go well in the mud, but also something that would hopefully handle okay on the trails and be lightweight. And Zillas are the lightest of the mud tires that I was able to find. So let's get to it. I'm going to go turn around by latches, and then you drop the hammer and hit the stopwatch.
Okay.
We'll do like 3 of them in a row.
Okay.
What'd you get?
8 seconds exactly.
Yeah, you stopped it right when I got to you. Make sure you stay in the same spot every time.
Okay.
And we'll go do it again.
Wow, that one was
That's your
quicker,
best
huh?
one, yeah.
Hop on. So on average, you're probably around 7.8.
Alright, boys. We have the rims and tires on it. It definitely sits up taller. We got plenty of clearance, it looks like, around the fender, so that's good. But she looks pissed off now. Looks much more aggressive than those stockers. Really liking it. Snorkels, new tires. Alright, time to do another timed run. See where we end up.
.820. It's only about a half a second.
Yeah.
We'll do it again after this guy moves. Holy cow.
Yeah, that was way better.
Let's try one more just to get an average, I guess. So it's about the same, really.
Yeah, it didn't get much slower or faster. It just kind of like in between.
You don't want to ride this through the grass anymore. Wow.
Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Hey, just a couple comments from the video. The new tires versus the old tires. The new tires, the 28 inch versus the 25, we seem to have lost roughly 5 miles per hour based on the speedo and GPS times I saw. However, the times, which I believe that was around 350 feet from a stop going out 350 feet to 400 feet runs. All runs were pretty much the same, as close as we could get. And our average was identical with the 25 inch tires versus the 28 inch tires. So we averaged 7.83 seconds in that 350 to 400 foot range that we were running. Interesting. So really didn't lose any time out of the hole. Lost a little bit of mile per hour on top end, which I expected with bigger tires. The reason I did this is I was trying to determine, hey, do I clutch the bike or leave it stock? And I think based on, we were on hard packed surfaces, which is going to be best case scenario. On the dirt, sand, mud, based on a ride I just did, it does not feel as peppy as it did with the stock tires. So I more than likely going to clutch it. By the way, stay tuned. I do have a video coming from spring break when we did ride it with the new tires. So stay tuned for that. Comment below what your thoughts are on the new rims and tires. I think they look pretty sweet. And if you have any other questions, please comment below. And also subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming. Thank you.